All right, guys. I'm doing a trade recap with the trade I ended the week with. Um, let's get into it. Start high time frame. Always start high time frame. Traded hella late today, but the past like few Fridays hella volatile. So it's okay. I'm breaking my rules. Trust. Um, but I woke up late, didn't trade, and I started trading, hopped on the charts at like 11. And this is we didn't have this what time is this? 1400 candle. We just had 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. And obviously, I would have been looking for shorts this morning um because we're pretty bearish. We broke structure and yeah, but obviously we're going to need retracement. But yeah, only looking for shorts today. And so I just kind of was working my way down, seeing what was happening, what could I work with, and get some trades. And pretty much I was looking for shorts, and that was pretty much confirmed for me when I had seen this 5 minute gap get inversed right here. 5 minute gap get inverse. There was an SMT2, I think. I don't really want to look for it right now. But bearish SMT, 5 minute inverse, entered off the inverse, banged this trade out right here, and got a little greedy because I took some L's yesterday and I just wanted to end the week at 100K and just start next week new because I tilted at the beginning of this week. But pretty much that happened. I took this trade, continuation trade off of an inverse fair value gap, and banged out full TP. I got like 800 off of this trade, I think. But I had this manipulation leg marked out, and that's projected to take this external liquidity outside of this range from this morning when it retested the 10 a.m. open. So I was like, I can get some more shorts in, which was correct, but I got stopped out like 3 times. And so I was, should have hopped off, but I pretty much was break even on my profit and didn't want to uh hop off. So that's my bad for real. Anyways, you know, I have my standard deviation levels marked out. Retrace level got hit, kind of reacted off of it. Needed to balance it out. Didn't inverse any of these didn't inverse this 5 minute, or I think there was a 10 minute. Yeah, 10 minute didn't get inversed right here, and that was the trade I got stopped out on this right here. But then 1550 happens on the 5 minute right here. 1550. We sweep this wick right here, and so I mark out this rejection block. Um, I was gonna enter off the consequent encroachment, but instead I entered. I can't. I think there was a 30-second inverse. Yeah, 30-second inverse. 30-second inverse. And I know this is a bunch of straight like BS, but I had to do what I had to do. And I'm not very explaining very well, but had this 30-second inverse closed, entered with 10 micros. And you know what's crazy about this right here? Boom, I have my TP right here on my -4 level, which it most likely is going in a hit. But I always tell myself just get the lower hanging fruit. Never do that. Never get the lower hanging fruit. Aim for the freaking highest hanging fruit. And I always get stopped out. So today, what helped me since I sized heavy with 10 mini micros, as you can see, at a 2K profit today because of this one trade, which might F over my consistency, but we'll fix that next week. This is why, this is the one thing that I did today that was profitable. Profitable mindset was aim for the lower hanging fruit. Anyways, full TP, 2K profit, 500 stop, banged out, end the week with the W, break even, 500 profit pretty much. Next week, gonna come back and just pass that eval. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Peace out, chat.